Hello everyone, welcome to my video today. In today's presentation, I want to go through the CMHC MLI Select program and to show you how you can qualify and maximize the benefits of it. So before we dive any deeper into the details, first let me help you understand what this program can do for you. By using this program, you can purchase or refinance a multifamily asset up to 95% loan to value. All you need is 5% equity. By getting this program, you can also extend amortization up to 50 years. So for those of you looking for cash flow, an extended amortization will give you a smaller monthly payment, therefore giving you a better cash flow. With this insurance, you will also get a cheaper mortgage rate, reducing your overall financing cost. And with this program, as it's newly designed and rolled out in March 2022, CMHC has really reduced the insurance premium to encourage more people to use this program. So if that's something you can benefit from, please follow me till the end of this video. Now, on a very high level, this program is designed like a game where you have to complete a few tasks to collect points. How many points you can actually get depends on how many commitments you make. The more committed you are, the higher the score you're going to get. With a higher score, you will also get a higher loan to value, a cheaper insurance premium, and also a longer amortization. As you can see from the chart above right here, if you get 50 points, your insurance premium is 2.25 and loan to value up to 85% and amortization up to 40 years. Now, if you have a point of 100, then your insurance premium comes down to 1% and up to 95% loan to value with amortization up to 50 years. So how can you qualify for this program? What tasks do you have to do to earn these points? We'll dive into more details in the slides. So the goal is really to get 100 points because once you get to 100 points, the premium becomes 1% and the loan to value goes up really high, up to 95%. And amortization also goes up to 50 years as well, if the remaining economic life of the building can support that. So the goal of participating in this program is really to get 100 points. So you can maximize the benefits of this program. So there are 3 buckets where you can earn points from. One is by charging affordable rental rates, which is the affordability part CMHC really wants to promote. The second one is to improve the energy efficiency of the building. And the last one is to improve the accessibility of the building, make the building more accommodating, particularly for people with disabilities. And for this 100 points you're trying to get, it can be earned from one bucket like this, or it can be earned from 2 buckets, a combination of both, or a combination of all 3. So first off, if you want to earn points from creating affordability, you need to dedicate some of the units to affordable rental. The more units you dedicate to that, the more points you're going to earn. So one thing I want to show you here is how you can calculate the maximum rental rate. So let's use Calgary, for example. The median renter income there is $69,500, and that is CMHC's official data as of right now. The maximum rent you can charge is 30% of that divided by 12 months. In this case, it works out to be $1,737.50 per month. Now let's use a 10-unit building as an example. If you dedicate 40%, which is a 4 unit, to affordability, then you will earn 50 points. If you allocate 6 units to affordable rental, then you will get 70 points. Now, if you're ready to commit 80% of the units to affordable rental, then you're going to earn 100 points. Now, by doing 80%, you already have 100 points. So in reality, if you are ready to do so, you probably don't even have to worry about energy efficiency or accessibility because you already have 100 points. So in short, the more units you are ready to dedicate to this affordable rental rate, the more points you will earn. But let's say if you're not ready to commit 80% of the units to affordable rental, maybe you're only willing to use 60% of the units for that, then you will only be getting 70 points. So how can you earn the rest of the 30 points? So I'm going to show you that right away here. So the second bucket is energy efficiency. And energy efficiency tasks are pretty straightforward too. For existing assets, you need to hire energy professionals for 2 rounds of assessments. The first round is really to establish a baseline level. A baseline level means where this current building is at in terms of energy consumption, as well as the greenhouse gas emission. The second one, once the improvements are done, the second one is to measure the improvements. That is to see how much of a reduction of energy consumption and greenhouse emission has been reduced. If it's a reduction more than 15%, then you're going to earn 30 points. If the reduction is more than 25%, then you're earning 50 points. If the reduction is more than 40%, then you're earning 100 points. The most common items for you to replace in order to improve energy efficiency are usually hot water tanks and also fixtures. For new builds, the baseline is 27 national building codes. It's even more straightforward. Just one round of assessment is needed. So here is a list of energy professionals you can hire to do the assessments, plus write in the reports. They do need to be certified, and also they need to be equipped with software such as CanQuest, Energy Plus, TrendTrade 700, and so on and so forth. So just like the affordability bucket, you can also use the points you earned from energy efficiency toward the overall qualification of the program. And once again, there's 100 points that can come from multiple buckets. So the last part is accessibility. So the purpose of CMHC including accessibility in this program is to encourage accessibility designs that the national building codes did not address. The standards you can use as reference points are CSA B651-18, Universal Designs, which is more common in the States, or Rick Hansen Foundation. Out of these three, Rick Hansen Foundation is probably the most comprehensive one because they do certification for their consultants and they also offer certificates to property owners. To measure the accessibility of the property, you will need to hire an architect or an accessibility consultant from Rick Hansen's Foundation, and they will write a report for you. Now, in terms of earning points from this bucket, we really need to look at the chart again. For example, when 15% of the units are considered accessible per CSA standard B651-18 or Universal Design, or the building receives Rick Hansen Foundation accessibility certification, you will get 20 points for this. To get more points from this bucket, you need to make the building more accommodating. One thing for you to note here is the maximum points you can earn from the accessibility bucket is 30 points. So unlike affordability and energy efficiency, if you want to earn the full 100 points, you do need to pick another one along with accessibility because this bucket alone is not going to get you the 100 points. So in short, this new CMHC MLI Select program is a very competitive and also very flexible program for developers, builders, and investors. If you need help with purchasing financing, refinancing, or takeout financing, please consider this program. If you need help with your deal, please contact me and I'd be more than happy to help. And here is my contact information. And thank you again for joining me today and see you next time.